Hi, good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. Okay. A very good afternoon to all of you. Let us start our today's class. We start with noun phrases. Yesterday, in the previous class, we discussed about adjective phrase and adverb phrase. Does any one of you have any doubts regarding adjective phrase or what is a? Yes. Yeah, tell me, what is the doubt? Adverb of? Adverb of reason and adverb of degree. Sorry, I am not able to hear you. Degree and reason I understood. Frequency. Okay. Adverb of degree answers the question. What does it answer? Tell me, adverb of degree answers the question? How much or to what extent? Yes? Okay. How much or to what extent? Okay. Now if I say, I got wet in the rain completely. Okay, I got wet in the rain completely. Now if I say completely, it is telling you degree. To what extent did you get wet? Okay, I got wet in the rain completely. So completely is telling you to what extent or how much. So that is adverb of degree. Is that clear? Yes. Yes. No need. No, it's only for him who is asking me the doubt. May I know your name, please? Daniel. Daniel. So adverb of degree answers the question how much or to what extent. These question words is very important. Which question word for what you will put? And then you are supposed to find out the adverbs. Next, adverb of reason answers the question? Why? So can you give me an example of adverb of reason? Good afternoon. Can you give me an example of adverb of reason? Okay. Now I told you adverb of reason answers the question why. Why are you tired today? There is lot of work. Okay. So why? It's answering because of it, because of the reason. It's telling you the reason. That word which is telling you the reason, it's because of it I am tired today. Okay. Because of heavy rains, the school is closed. No need to write. Because of heavy rains, the school is closed. Yes. Tell me. Why is the school closed? Because of heavy rains. So because it's telling you the reason. So it becomes adverb of reason. I want only adverb. Heavy rains is not adverb. What is heavy rain? Noun. Rain is the noun. Heavy is telling about how the rain is. Adjective. Got it? I want only adverb. I don't want the whole, this is not phrase. Don't confuse yourself with phrase. Not adverb, phrase I am asking. I am asking you only the adverb. Adverb phrase is different. Adverb phrase, because of heavy rains will be the adverb phrase. Okay? Yes. It answers the question why. See, I'll tell you. See, adverb of reason, because, comma, since, comma, therefore, all these words are adverbs of reason.
Hello?
Yes? Yes, tell me. What? No, I have not given the definition yet. I have not started with noun phrases. Okay, Daniel, is that clear? Huh? Answers I will give it to you. No worries. Today, after doing noun phrases all together, I will give you the answers. All have done the homework. Yes. So let us move next to adverb of frequency. Frequency, I explained it, Daniel, once in last class. You were absent in that class. Can anybody tell me what is adverb of frequency? Can anybody tell me what is adverb of frequency? Can anybody tell me which is the question word for adverb of frequency? How? How often? How often is the question word. Now if I say, I go to school daily. I go to school daily. How? Yes. Daily is adverb of frequency. Yes. But if I say, same sentence, I go to school in the morning, then morning will become what? Time. When? Okay, adverb of time. It's telling you when you are going to school. Same sentence, but in the morning it's telling you time, it's not telling you frequency. Okay, now if I say, instead of daily I am using, I go to school, every day. Then? Every day. Then? Same. It is adverb of frequency. How often you go? Every day you go. Then? Seema comes often comes late to school. Then what? How often? She often comes late to school. Often means many times. Okay. So this also is adverb of. If I say bus, why? Because it's answering the question. Oh. Hello? Hello, now are you able to hear me? Okay, okay, one second, I am back. I'll be back. 1 second.
Yes.
Okay, so did you get it? Adverb of frequency. Now is it clear? Now let's move to noun phrases. Take down the definition of a noun phrase.
Yes.
Yes.
You are writing
Noun phrase, you have to write it in your notebook. Now, from here onwards, you have to write all the notes in your notebook. Definition of a noun phrase: a phrase that acts as a phrase that acts as a noun in a sentence. Noun in a sentence. In a sentence. Children, please mute your mics. If you don't have to ask me any doubts, please. A phrase that acts as a noun in a sentence.
I can see that side of board.
A phrase that listen to me, I am telling you the definition, no? A phrase that acts as a noun in a sentence, a phrase that acts as a noun in a sentence is called a noun phrase. Is called a noun phrase. Example: painting landscapes is his hobby. Okay, just write down the sentence and then write down the clue for it. Write down the clue. What? What happened? No, answer I will give you later. Wait. Clue. To find out the noun phrase. To find out the noun phrase. To find out the noun phrase. Ask what or who. Ask what or who. Ask what or who to the verb. Okay, that's one clue. The second one is, it will, noun phrase will be, that means it will be, yes.
Like summer painting landscape, Amy's holidays. Answer is painting landscapes.
Wait, I will tell you answer, don't worry, wait. It will be either the subject, or object, of the sentence. Okay, now I told you that painting landscapes is his hobby. What is the noun phrase? Painting landscapes. Now if I told you the clue is to find out the noun phrase, ask what or who to the verb. What is his hobby? Painting landscapes is his hobby. Next, it will be either the subject or the object. It will be either this part, that's subject, or it is the object. Painting landscapes is what? You cannot write. Okay. What is his hobby? Painting landscapes. That's a correct question. So, that is why painting landscapes became the noun phrase. Is that clear to all of you? Understood? Yes? Okay, copy the notes fast. Now, I will give you 10 sentences. Yes, take 3 minutes. What happened? What you didn't get? Noun phrase. Yeah, who was that? What? Parvana. What happened, Parvana? Tell me.
I didn't understand how this painting landscapes were answered.
Now see, I told you this, what you have to ask or who you have to ask to the verb. Which is the verb in the sentence, Parvana? Tell me.
S-O-B.
His hobby is the verb.
No.
Huh?
Painting.
Painting. Painting is not the main verb. The main verb in the sentence you are supposed to see. Huh? H-I-S or I-S? I-S. Yes. Is the verb. So, you will ask what, I asked you, you have to ask what or who to the verb. What is his hobby? Painting landscapes. So, that is why I got the answer as painting landscapes. Now, you understood? Parvana, did you understand now? Yes. What or who means who if it is a person. Okay. What for a statement, who if it's a person. I'll give you examples, don't worry. Now you find out. After the clue, the second sentence. This is the subject. No, this painting landscapes is the subject. So that is what? It will be either the. Yes, tell me. It. Not H, it. What? No, listen, one at a time you speak. I am not able to understand. Yeah, speak one at a time. Yes, miss, I am hearing. Tell me, my dear. Later. Wait, you are first to do this. Over. This is over. Now next. Honest and sincere men are like are liked by all. This is the example. So here what you will put to get the noun phrase? Which question you will put? What are liked by all? Okay, first tell me which is the main verb in the sentence. Which is the main verb? You all are sleeping? Okay. So are is the verb. Are is the verb, and if you ask the question, who are liked by all, then you will get the answer as honest and sincere men are liked by all. Got it? Honest and sincere men are liked by all. So this is the noun phrase. This is the noun phrase. Did you understand? This is the second example. Okay, copy this example. Next one, I am going to give you, I will be giving you some exercises. You have to do it. Okay, be ready. Pick out the noun phrases from the sentence. Pick out the noun phrases from the sentence. Okay, so the first one, collecting stamps is his hobby. Second one, we like to listen. We like to listen to good music. We like to listen to good music. Next one, to come late is bad. To come late is bad. Fourth one, she hopes to win. She hopes to win the competition. She hopes to win the competition. Fifth one, acting in movies. Acting in movies is highly rewarding. Acting in movies is highly rewarding. Next, sixth one, to err is human. To err is human. To err is human means to make a mistake, to commit mistake is human. 7. Helping one's neighbors is good. Helping one's neighbors. Helping one's neighbors is good. 8th one. I enjoy going on long walk. I enjoy going on long walks. Next, 9th one. Do you mind waiting a little? Do you mind waiting? Do you mind waiting a little? Do you mind waiting a little? 10th one. Satisfying
See the last one, then one.
It's clear, I suppose. It's clear. Okay, listen to me. Satisfying customers is a great art. Satisfying customers is a okay. See, hold your mobiles horizontally. So, see, if you are catching your mobile like this, then you have to keep it in this position. Okay, then you will be able to see it. Take the enlarged view of it. Okay, take the enlarged view of it. You will be able to see it. Satisfying customers is a great art. Okay, so 10 sentences. Pick out the noun phrases. 5 minutes. Okay.
Miss, I can't see the particular store.
Collecting stamps. Collecting stamps. Okay, another 3 minutes more. 10th one, first word, satisfying customers. Satisfying customers. Okay. Okay, can we discuss the answers now? Okay, first answer. Can anybody tell me the first answer? Collecting stamps. Correct. Collecting stamps is his hobby. So you will ask, what is his hobby? Collecting stamps. Next, we like to listen to good music.
Good music.
We, who is telling that we will never be a phrase. I told you phrase should not be only one word. It will be two or more than two. Okay, two or more than two words. So phrase, it is we is wrong. Okay, what is the answer? We would like to listen. We like what? You will ask the question like this. We like what? We like to listen to good music. So this is the answer. Next, we like to listen to good music. Yes, tell me. Verb? To listen is not the main verb. Main verb is like. Like is the main verb. Here it is. Main verb is like. To listen is infinitive. To plus verb. Okay. Now next one. To come late is bad. What is the answer? To come late. To come late. Now if you see in the exam, if you just write come late is noun phrase. You will write it like this, no? See, come late, noun phrase, come late, and you will write it as noun phrase. Okay, this is what you will write in your answer sheet. Now if you write like this, it is wrong. Excuse me. Come late, if you just write noun phrase, it's wrong. You have to write to come late. Okay, you have to write to come late. Then only this answer will be correct. Got it? Then only that answer will be correct. Next, she hopes to win the competition. Noun phrase. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute. Karthik. Is Karthik present? Wait, Karthik is present. Karthik? Okay, Abhinav? Abhinav present? Okay, Abhinav, tell me the answer for the fifth one. Acting in movies is highly rewarding. Tell me the answer. No, not fourth one. Fifth one, fifth one. Abhinav, fifth one, tell me. No. Wait, let Abhinav try. Abhinav? Why is Abhinav not talking now? Abhinav is present, Abhinav told me. Okay. Rishon is present? Rishon? I know Rishon is present because I saw you online. Rishon, tell me the answer of fifth one. Acting in movies is highly rewarding. Okay. What is the verb? Children, tell me, what is the verb in the sentence? Is. Okay. So, what you will ask what? What is highly rewarding? So, the answer is Acting in movies. Acting in movies is highly rewarding. Next one. Who is going to tell me the answer? Okay, who told that answer just now? Correct. Answer is correct. I want the name. Huh? What? Joshua. Yeah, Joshua, correct. To err is human. Joshua, tell me which is your verb in the sentence? Is. Is your verb. Next, can somebody else, anybody else? Helping one's neighbors is good. So, yes. Who told that answer just now? Angel. Okay, Angel and one more person told that answer. Who's that? Daniel. Okay, Daniel and Angel, good. Helping one's neighbors is good. So, you will ask the question, what is good? You will write helping one's neighbors. I enjoy going on long walks. So, what you will write? Which is the noun phrase? Which is your verb? Which is the verb? Enjoy. Okay, the verb is enjoy. So, the phrase is going on long walks. Okay, got it? I enjoy going on long walks. Clear? Got it? Next one. Do you mind waiting a little? Is you the verb? You is pronoun. Forgot your pronoun? You is pronoun. Which is the verb? Mind. And noun phrase is waiting a little. Waiting a little. Okay. Next. Satisfying customers is a great art. What? Satisfying customers is the noun phrase. Good, very good. Satisfying customers is the noun phrase. Okay, so you will ask the question like this: what is good? What is a great art? Satisfying customers. I hope it is clear to all. Yes. Any doubts regarding adjective phrase, adverb phrase and noun phrase? Three phrases are clear? Yes, tell me. What? Going is a verb, but it's not the main verb. There are three types of verbs: participles, gerunds, main verbs, helping verbs. Okay, that when I am teaching you next lesson, okay, participles and gerunds is your next lesson in the grammar book. Later, that time I will teach you in detail about it. When I teach you that lesson called as participles and gerunds, then I will teach you that. You have to see the main verb in the sentence. Okay, you have to ask the question, what or who to the main verb in the sentence. Okay. Okay, any doubts? Any other doubts? Anybody else? No. So, can we wind up today's class and see you in the next class, next week. Thank you. Does anybody have any doubt? No. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you children. Thank you so much for your patient listening.